Alright, this is a late night video and I probably have bright red eyes, but we're going to disassemble and reassemble this Beretta 81. We're going to take out the magazine. We don't need it. We're going to check to see if the gun's unloaded. It is. Now you can do this with the hammer cocked or decocked. We're going to drop that hammer safely. Okay, to take this gun apart, you have a spring-loaded pin on the left side. You have a takedown lever on the right side. You're going to push that spring-loaded pin, flip down the lever, slide comes off. You're going to set the frame aside. You can pull out your recoil spring and guide rod. You can set those aside. You can pull out your barrel, slide it forward, up and out. Put it back together, after you've cleaned it of course, and put your barrel back in. And the barrel is going to rest where the extractor here fits into the extractor groove in the barrel. Now this is going to want to get away from you. It's not retained by much besides that extractor. So you're going to take your recoil spring and guide rod, put it back in, and drop it down on the lower ledge in that barrel. That's going to retain your barrel in place. You're going to take your slide assembly and slide it back on the frame. Like so. Now here's the trick. Everybody makes a big deal about putting these back together. It's real easy. You're going to take a finger, or you can push against your leg or whatever, and wrap it around both the slide and the barrel. You're going to pull the slide back to where it normally rests when it's reassembled. You're going to push that spring-loaded pin on the left side while the barrel is pulled back with the slide, and then flip that lever back up, and the gun's back together. Let's do it one more time. You're going to take that slide off, pull the slide and barrel back to where it's supposed to go, spring-loaded pin on the left, lever. Pull it back, pin, lever. That's it. And you can get pretty fast at it once you know what you're doing. That's how you take apart and put back together a Beretta 81. Thanks for watching.